First thing inyo buhaton is ari mo sa notebook lm.google.com. Kani siya class is mo consolidate or mo combine sa inyong mga notes katong gisan ako sa GC, pwede niyo i-upload dire. Example gani, click create new notebook. Create mo new notebook no. Okay. Drop your file sa reader dapita. Mag-open ta og topic na to ben. Topics. Okay, for example, constellations atong topic. Okay na. Open ta og folder. Para sa constellations. Okay, saan naman to? Dara dahil. Okay, constellations. Ang daw guys siya, lag lagi. Lag man. Okay ka na. For example, kani siya itong siyang i-upload rin sa notebook LM. I-upload. Upload sa another. Halbat sa climate na punta. Okay, okay. Sige. Upload ka og PDF. Add sources, add sources. Upload og PDF na pod. Balik ka sa volcanoes. Okay, add source. Upload a PDF. Another one. Add source. Upload another PDF. Then the last one, kining types of volcanic eruptions. Siya. Okay, upload rin nyo diha. Wait ka nag-loading, uploading para sa website. Okay, good. After ma-upload ka ng PDF na files, okay, pila ka sources available? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pwede nyo i-upload apil ang inyong images ang isend sa GC na dito. Nyo i-download, upload nyo dire. Then we can see here tracing the stars, a guide to the constellations. Pero class, you can talk to your PDF nga files na dire tanawa. Okay. If I ask what are weather patterns, exploring the material, the AI will scan the text, scan the PDF, then it will reply based sa inyong prompt or question. Okay, based on the provided sources, there's no... What? Awa pa di ay dra. Weather patterns, wala pa na ko na-upload. Kila ko kayo siya class. Wait sa ninyo. Wait sa hatod siya makuan. Ma-upload. Then, sa tanaghuat mo, ma-upload siya. Arita sa video overview. Video overview. Oka audio overview. Pwede sa mga flashcards. Kana. Infographic. data table, and slide deck, including practice quiz. Para wait for it to generate. Kaya ka sa report. Notable Philippine volcanoes and geological characteristics. Okay, last major eruption. Okay. Perfectly aligned ang mga tables na arrange na diretanan. The studio, balik. Move on ta sa knowledge flashcards. Pwede mo mag-study dire. Okay, what is another name for Mayon volcano? See the answer. Okay, Mount Mayon. Okay, good. Got it? Yeah, approximately how many times has Mayon volcano erupted in the past decade? 10 to 20. Missed it. Example. Okay na. Which volcano is considered one of the most active in the Philippines? That would be not in Albay, but... Sige. Katong volcano in a river, in a lake, in an island, in a lake, in an island. Good. Oh, sige. Mayon volcano or Taal volcano. Sige, got it or missed it. Mount Pinatubo is located. Zambales. Okay, missed it. Okay, got it. Go back to the studio. Arita sa... Okay, that was flashcards. Arita sa space. Earth space quiz. Kasi quiz dire. Okay, according to the material, which will get classified as a composite volcano, highest peak, pinakataas nga tuktok sa Pilipinas, that would be Mount Apo or Mount Mayon. Nope, that was be Mount Apo. Okay, next. Fundamental reason constellations, night sky change depending on the time of year. Earth is constantly moving around the sun. That's right. Next. Studio. Arita sa slide deck. That's done. Alright. Wait for it to load. Kailag ang internet. Okay, here. Fire and peaks, a guide to Philippine volcanoes. Mount Mayon, most active. Volcanic classifications, broad shield, explosive cinder cones, and pressurized composite volcanoes. Broad, lapad. If you say broad, gani, lapad na siya. If you say cinder cones, dali ra mo buto, and soft kayo ang iyang shell sa volcano. Pressurized, kanang gamay og agianan, gamay og shaft, and gamay og crater, gamay og bakbak. Mga pressurized. If mabuto siya, perting kusuga. Ha? Known for explosive eruptions. Okay. Alright. That's it. Sige. Generating slide deck. Huwag na lang taan na. I-remove to na ba? Reload na ako balik. Video siya no? Oh, mura sir. Video siya. Mag-upload na balik class. So weather patterns, climate, weather patterns. Okay, here. Add sources. Drop the PDF. Diha. Absolutely. I love it, the search. Masay ninuti pare sa breadstick. Masay ninuti pare sa breadstick. Sa breadstick ba?
Kuha, chocolate.
Chocolate no? Katong panisal mate, kahit kailang na ka panisal.
Napalis dyan din.
Sa high school.
Diyan, magwala niya nila dyan.
Wala ka dugay ba ni makuha?
Ako sa giparang kamay.
Basta, huwata lang class. Huwata lang ma-upload. Okay, slide deck, wala pa sa na-upload. Kalugay ba? Flashcards, mind map, okay ra. Video overview, ano ka sa video overview? Our reports, briefing doc, study guide. That is a study guide. Okay. Wait for it to go on. Generating report, generating video overview, generating slide deck, and arito sa audio overview na sad. So, na-isplak good. Isplak good siya. Nakadugo diha sa grade 11.
Nagabay sa, di ba, grade 9, pinakalas, pinalapit.
Kuha na ko yung ulo. Sa
So,
South June.
Ano ba? Tayo.
toto na. Isplak good siya. Anong kalag? Adra, weather patterns weather patterns na ko ano. Sige. Balik ta, what are weather patterns? Nganong kadugay ba? Kadugay ba? Loading siya. Sig tuyok-tuyok. Dara guys. Based on the provided documents, weather patterns analyze three concepts of weather and climate, describes the state of the atmosphere, its behavior over time. Okay, ano siya ang definition sa weather patterns na ay time, mga variable, o behavior sa hangin sa babaw or sa sky. Okay. Weather versus climate. Okay, differentiate. Okay, comparison lang duha. And kaning mga scientific instruments, equipments ang gamiton sa meteorologist para pag-study sa atmosphere, movements in the upper region of the Earth atmosphere na sa ha? Ay, kadugay. So, that would be it. What lang ninyo, Jude? Patience. Stop recording.